Hello. Let's try to solve some another questions from previous year GATE question paper. And the problem is with reference to the disinfection, which of the following statement is or are correct? It means it is a multiple select question, and the options are: ethanol damages lipid structure in the bacterial cell membrane. Mercury chloride inactivates cellular enzyme containing sulfhydryl group, and the glutaraldehyde inactivates protein, and isopropyl alcohol cannot be used as a disinfectant. Let's try to understand this, because we know that this ethanol is effective as a disinfectant because it damages the lipid profile or lipid membranes of a bacterial cell, disrupting their structure and causing leakage of the contents. So it is a true statement, or it is a correct statement. Next one is, जो mercury chloride है, it works by binding the sulfhydryl group in enzymes and rendering them into inactive and halting microbial process. Okay. And third one is, this glutaraldehyde inactivates protein, okay, because it is a potent disinfectant due to its ability to cross-link and denature proteins, and thereby inactivate them. And but on the other hand, this isopropyl alcohol cannot be used as a disinfectant. It is incorrect statement, as we know that this isopropyl alcohol is widely used as disinfectant. So the correct answer should be option number D. It is incorrect. Let me repeat what I was saying. कि ethanol disrupts lipid membranes, mercury chloride inactivates cellular enzymes, okay, और वो bind करता है SH group को in proteins में. That means it is simply inactivating enzymes. Third one is, it cross-links amino groups in proteins, and it is widely used as a disinfectant. And last one is, जो isopropyl जो statement था, it is false because we are using it widely, because जो 60 to 90% concentration of alcohol is used as disinfectant. So the option number D was incorrect because it was correct. Next question is, choose the correct option by removing solids from water: chlorination, coagulation, flocation, sedimentation followed by slow sand filtration, and chlorination followed by aeration, and slow sand filtration. And you have to find out that which one is the करेक्ट आंसर. अब देखो फर्स्ट वन जो आपका है दैट इज क्लोरिनेशन हम यूज़ करते हैं एज अ क्यों यूज़ करते हैं इसको, डिसइंफेक्टेंट की तरह यूज़ करते हैं वाटर में, ठीक, ना कि सॉलिड्स को रिमूव करने के लिए, इसलिए दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट है कोगुलेशन, फ्लकेशन, सेडिमेंटेशन फॉलोड बाय स्लो सैंड फिल्ट्रेशन. ये जो मेथड है, this process helps to remove suspended solids. Helps to remove suspended solids, and by causing particles to clump together into flocks, which can then be removed by the sedimentation. And following this, when we use slow sand filtration, it further purifies the water by removing जो finer particles होते हैं, and as well as the जो remaining solid है. तो it means it is also we are using this method for किस चीज़ के लिए, for removing solid from water. So this is correct one. थर्ड ऑप्शन है क्लोरीन फॉलोड बाय एरेनेशन. हमने कहा ठीक है, वी नो दैट द क्लोरीन इज यूज्ड एज अ डिसइंफेक्टेंट, but when it followed by aeration, it does not remove any solid from the water. It means it's also incorrect. Last one is slow sand filtration. uh, it is a highly effective method for removing suspended solid from the water. Water is passed through the bed of sand, which filters out the solid particles. It is commonly used as a simple and efficient treatment method for solid removal के लिए सबसे best method है. It means option B and D are correct, whereas A and C are wrong. Okay. ठीक. देख लेते हैं जो क्लोरिनेशन प्रोसेस है, ये यूज़ इसका पर्पस है क्या, डिसइंफेक्शन में, तो ये सॉलिड रिमूवल के लिए यूज़ नहीं होती है. जो हमारी सेकंड प्रोसेस है, ये स्टैंडर्ड ट्रीटमेंट ट्रेन है फॉर रिमूविंग सस्पेंडेड एंड कोलाइडल सॉलिड्स के लिए. थर्ड वन इज जो क्लोरिनेशन है, both are mainly for disinfection and oxidation of taste, odor, iron and manganese, not used for solid removals. And जो slow sand filtration है, ये very effective in removing suspending solids, turbidity and microorganisms. So the correct answer was B and D.